Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can access the Kidsoft video menu. To do this, you can click on your video menu and you will see all of our Kidsoft videos sitting under their applicable headings. For example, anything in relation to CCS you will find under the CCS heading. Any of our SP features will be located under the SP features menu. We have our iDebit Pro menu, our iParent portal, iCheck-in, and bonds. It's important that you check out if the YouTube video has a playlist. For example, when clicking on the bonds video, you will notice it has a little icon up the top right-hand corner, 1 out of 6. When you click on this, it will indicate that there are actually 6 videos that you can view within that playlist. So you may be only looking for instructions on how to apply a bond payment. So by clicking on that playlist and locating that video, you can click on that video and it's going to play that applicable video. Another good example is our communications. When clicking on this menu, you will see 1 out of 5. So when clicking on that playlist, you will see multiple communication videos. So again, you may be looking for assistance on how to create SMS communications. So you can just click on that one video. For further information on our Kidsoft video menu, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our full range of video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.